Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your platform and freeing up space. This matters because installers differ per platform. Once done, back up any custom content and settings to a separate folder so you can restore if an update resets them. Next, close Gorilla Tag and related VR apps to avoid file locks. Then open your platform's library, Steam, Meta Quest app, or Oculus, so you can begin the actual update process without interruptions or permission prompts. Now you execute the update using the platform-specific method. On Steam, trigger the update button or verify files if the update stalls. That forces a download of missing pieces. On Quest, use the Headset Store or Meta app to install updates, and if you sideloaded, use a DB push to transfer the new APK. For PC VR or modded installs, replace binaries carefully and keep a version log. This helps you revert if a mod conflicts. Make sure download Finally, launch Gorilla Tag and check the version at the main menu. Then enter a low-stakes lobby to verify tracking, networking, and custom items. If you experience crashes, first verify integrity or reinstall the game, then clear shader and cache folders before trying again. If problems persist, revert to your backup and reinstall mods one at a time to isolate conflicts. As a troubleshooting tip, verify files or reinstall before mod diagnosis. Most update failures are corrupted or mismatched files, not hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.